What's up guys, Chris George here, and it's time for a WhatChef Christmas special. Now, on Christmas Day, it's one of those days where you might eat too much. I don't feel so good. I think I'm gonna be sick. And it's a day where you can definitely drink too much. Now this is a great day. I love it. I love everybody. And it's also that day where you gotta put on a brave face when you get that special gift. You know, the thing that you always wanted. Sucks! This is exactly what I wanted. This is like the best present ever. Sucks. So to celebrate Christmas, I've put this special episode together. It's a few simple recipes you can enjoy on Christmas Day. They're pretty basic, and you only need a few simple ingredients. But we're gonna need a couple of things before we start this special episode. First, we're gonna need a better name than the WhatChef Christmas Special. And this suggestion comes in handy. Yeah, thanks for that. Chefness will work. And secondly, this isn't working for me. So, alright, so now I've got the beard and the hat, it's time to begin.
On this cold December day, we are on our merry way, riding along, just singing a song, barreling through the snow. Bells are jingling, snowflakes tingling, Rudolph knows where to go. On this cold December day, I am piloting my sleigh. The work to be done on my Christmas run is the most tired chore. No girl or boy without a toy, so giddy up, Rudolph, my dear. 8 pair of antennas, onwards ever go.
So I'm beginning my Christmas day, well, with a burger bite. Let's see what this one tastes like. Pretty good. So what's next? My cheesy Christmas log. Tastes like a pizza. So having a nice healthy salad on Christmas Day is probably a good idea. Now I'll put hummus in this one, but you could use any kind of dip, like your favorite dip. Say like a French onion dip. That would work pretty good. Anyway. Okay, so we're almost ready for dessert. So I'm gonna serve a dessert entree. Something a little different. Call this my drunken little biscuit. Whoa, you can definitely taste that rum. So there you go, a few simple recipes you can enjoy on Christmas Day. Now if you like these recipes, make sure you give the video a thumbs up. And if you've got your own special recipe, leave that down in the comments to share with everyone else. Anyway, I hope you liked this episode, and if you did, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and also you better click the notification bell. Got a lot planned for 2019, so yeah. Anyway, Happy New Year and a Merry Christmas, or Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, whichever way you want to put those around. And I'll see you soon. Thanks for watching. So I don't know if you've noticed on camera, but that fake Santa Claus beard has kind of left hair all over my shirt. Yeah, don't recommend you wear black when you're dressing up like Santa. It just doesn't work.